Okay. Hi, I'm Samuel, and this is my bike. Okay, so to start it off, let's see. It's a fit frame. It was a complete Morgan Long signature bike. Frame, fork, and bars. And let's see, we'll start it off grips. These are the Vans Colt grips. Pretty worn down, really comfortable. I have some new ones I'm gonna put on. So the bars, it's the Complete Bike bars, Fit Bike Co. Stem, Fit Bike Co. Not sure what it is, honestly. Fork, Complete Bike fork. And then the front tire is Merit Option tire in gum, 2.35 inches wide. And then the wheel, this is actually my first custom wheel I ever built. I just got this on a little bit ago. Merit Siege rim, pretty new rim. BSD spokes and Odyssey Vandero Pro hub with hub guards. And then for the pegs, it's the Rant LL Cool pegs in 4.45 inches long. Okay, and frame, it's the Complete Bike frame. Cranks, these are the Fit indented cranks, I believe. They have these little indents here that you can rest your feet on for tail whips, which I don't know how to do. Fit Mac PC pedals. I think they're just called the Fit PC pedals now. But yeah, I have one side painted white, kinda. Sometimes ride dirt, so it's pretty brown. Just so I know which side to put my foot on, so if I grind, I don't grind the pins that I put my feet on. And let's see, seat, Fit bar stool seat with a pivotal seat post. I kind of like to ride my seat high, bar spin stuff, and I don't know, it just feels nice to sit down on. And Sprocket Sunday Sabertooth V2, and then you might notice I don't have a chain on right now. I snapped it the other day and hurt my knee into a stem, but yeah, I have the Colt half-link chain that I'm gonna put on it. Back wheel, I have Merit Battle Complete wheel, battle rim with Merit Final Drive Free Coaster hub. Works pretty well, I like it. Same tire as the front, Merit Option tire, gum 2.35, and then same pegs, the 4.45 inch long Rant LL Cool pegs, and non-drive side hub guard. And yeah, so that's my bike. Thanks for watching, and subscribe.